I don't know about you, but a lot is going on out there. And sometimes it makes it feel like a lot is going on in here too. When the day-to-day, the world, my mind, my relationships start to feel murky, almost too intense, I return to nature. When I can't hear my own thoughts, when my heart feels far away, when even my own presence feels distant, I return to nature. When you don't know what to do, go to nature. What does that even mean? Put your back against a tree, step into the ocean, watch the sunrise, and stay long enough to see the sunset. Bring fresh flowers into the house. Return to nature. When you can't stop thinking about finances, about plans, about problems, return to nature. Take off your shoes, put your feet in the dirt, get your hands in the soil, let the wind move through your hair. Climb the mountain until your lungs remember how to breathe. Stand in the ocean until the salt reaches your bones. Walk into the forest alone, far enough that the noise of the world cannot find you. Return to nature. Stay long enough and something begins to clear. The world quiets. Your mind stops shouting. You hear things again. The wind through the trees. The owl. Your own breath. Your footsteps in the snow. The night sky opening above you. One shooting star after another crossing the dark. And then you begin to notice something. Nothing out here in nature is trying to be anything else. The tree is not improving itself. The ocean is not planning its future. The orange tree is not trying to become the apple tree. The flowers aren't competing with other flowers. Everything is simply being what it is. And out here in nature, no one is asking you to be anything either. Stay long enough and you begin to remember something you once knew. You were never separate from nature, not for a moment. And after a while, you realize the only thing that ever made you leave it was an idea. You were never outside of nature. You were only outside of yourself.